This is a Google Sheet with a list of tasks with different statuses. Some of them are completed. Right now you could be manually moving completed tasks from one sheet to another, and then deleting completed tasks from the original sheet. But there is an automated option. I will show you how to automatically move row values from one sheet to another sheet based on the status value. For this, go to Google Sheets and then click on the Extensions option at the top. Here, select the App Script option. This will open a new Google App Script project. I am going to create this function to automatically move rows from one sheet to another sheet. I have left a link to this Google script in the pinned comment. You can get it from there. This is the sheet name with the original task list. And this is the sheet name where the completed tasks are going to move. You need to change the sheet names based on your sheets. After that, click on the Save icon at the top. Now the function is ready. Currently, you will see all completed tasks are still in the original sheet. Now, click on the Run button at the top of App Script. After that, click on the Review Permissions. Select the Google account. Then select Continue. Finally, allow the required access and permissions. You can see, as soon as execution started, the completed tasks disappeared from the list. And now they're moved to the second sheet. And that's how all tasks with done status will automatically move to the completed task sheet. Let me show you again by adding another task and keeping its status done. Now, we'll run the script again. And you can see it immediately moved to the second. You can add a trigger if you don't want to run the script again and again. Let me know in the comments. I'll show you how to create a trigger. The script will work even if the value is in the drop-down. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.